Hello students, in this lecture we are going to study about preparation of alcohols. In that first method from alkyl halide. By using alkyl halide we can prepare alcohol. Let's see. Alkyl halide on heating with aqueous alkali or moist silver oxide gives corresponding alcohol. See here general example. This alkyl halide reacts with aqueous alkali and formation of alcohol takes place. The hydroxide ion of an alkali replaces this halogen and formation of alcohol takes place. In second reaction, alkyl halide react with silver oxide in presence of water. The formation of alcohol takes place. Here, this silver oxide reacts with water and gives silver hydroxide. This silver hydroxide is less stable, hence it is prepared in situ using moist silver oxide. And this hydroxide ion from silver hydroxide replace this halogen and formation of alcohol takes place. Let's see some examples. Here, bromomethane reacts with sodium hydroxide, formation of methanol takes place. Here, the hydroxide ion of an sodium hydroxide replace bromine from bromomethane and formation of methanol, and sodium bromide is side product. Next, bromoethane reacts with silver oxide in presence of water. We know that silver hydroxide is less stable. That's why it is prepared in situ by using moist silver oxide. This hydroxide ion replace bromine from bromoethane and formation of ethanol takes place. This is first method for preparation of alcohol, that is from alkyl halide. By using alkyl halide we can prepare alcohols. Then next method, by acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Acid, we know acid is proton. By using acid catalyzed hydration means in presence of water. Acid is used as catalyst, so it is known as by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Let's see. Alkene on reaction with cold concentrated sulfuric acid form alkyl hydrogen sulfate. The addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule. On further heating of alkyl hydrogen sulfate with water, it gives alcohol. Here, one example taken. This is propene. Propene is nothing but alkene. Carbon-carbon double bond. या कार्बन-कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड असणारा कंपाऊंड घेतलेला आहे आपण. कोणता? प्रोपेन. This propene react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid and forms isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Here the addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule. Means this H2SO4 is nothing but the H2SO4 चा आपण जर स्ट्रक्चर बघितलं तर HOSO3H. This is positive part and this is negative part. Here addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule. So Markovnikov rule state that the negative part of the reagent attached to that carbon contain less number of hydrogen. हे जे दोन कार्बन आहेत अल्किनचे त्याच्यावरती निगेटिव्ह पार्ट कोणत्या कार्बनला अटॅच होईल? द निगेटिव्ह पार्ट ऑफ द रिएजंट अटॅच टू दॅट कार्बन कंटेन लेस नंबर ऑफ हायड्रोजन ॲटम. तर या दोन कार्बनमध्ये तुम्ही पाहू शकता कोणत्या कार्बनला कमी लेस हायड्रोजन आहेत? दिस कार्बन कंटेन लेस हायड्रोजन. सो ॲडिशन टेक्स प्लेस लाईक दिस H OSO 3H. This is negative part of. This negative part of the reagent attached to that carbon carries less number of hydrogen atom and formation of alkyl hydrogen sulfate takes place by breaking carbon-carbon double bond. And this hydrogen attached to that carbon. So structure becomes like this. Further on heating with isopropyl hydrogen sulfate in presence of water, formation of ethanol takes place. Here alkyl hydrogen sulfate heating केलं कोणाबरोबर? वॉटर बरोबर. त्याच्यामधील वॉटरचं स्ट्रक्चर बघा HOH. त्यातील हा जो हायड्रोजन आहे तो या ग्रुप बरोबर कंबाईन होऊन काय फॉर्म करतो? सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. आणि दिस OH attach on that and formation of ethanol takes place. This is second method for preparation of alcohol. Let's see mechanism. The mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of alkene involves following step. It involves 3 steps. In that first formation of carbocation. म्हणजे अल्किनच्या थ्रू ॲसिड कॅटलाइज कसं होतं हे आपण बघणार आहोत. We know that acid is a proton donor. We know that proton is proton donor. So water accepts proton from acid and formation of protonic compound, and this carbon-carbon double bond of an alkene pick up this hydrogen, and the bond between the carbon-carbon double bond is break and formation of new bond, carbon hydrogen bond, and formation of water takes place. Here. And carbocation species is formed. हा जो डबल बॉन्ड आहे कार्बन कार्बनमधला तो हायड्रोजन बरोबर काय करतो? बॉन्ड फॉर्म करतो आणि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकॅटायन टेक्स प्लेस. इन सेकंड स्टेप न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटॅक ऑफ वॉटर ऑन कार्बोकॅटायन. This carbocation is electron deficient species, and oxygen in water having lone pair. This lone pair attack on the carbocation carbon and formation of carbon oxygen bond. And here oxygen carries positive charge because of 3 bonds. In last step, deprotonation. This reacts with water. It forms H3O plus and formation of alcohol takes place. These are the steps of acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Then next, hydroboration oxidation of alkene. Alkene with diborane in tetrahydrofuran solvent undergo addition reaction to form trialkyl borane, which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium forms alcohol. The overall reaction gives anti-Markovnikov product from unsymmetrical alkene. Here we take an alkene as a propene. Reacts with diborane because the borane is always exist in dimer. So we called diborane. Alkene react with diborane in presence of tetrahydrofluorone undergo addition reaction to form trialkyl means tripropyl borane which on oxidation with peroxide in presence of alkaline medium to form N-propyl alcohol and this is boric acid. तर या रिॲक्शनचं मेकॅनिझम आपण 11th स्टँडर्डला स्टडी केलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे आता डीपमध्ये सांगत नाही. तर याच्यामध्ये बघा जे ॲडिशन आहे ते अँटीमॉर्कोनिकोव रूलनुसार होते. जो निगेटिव्ह पार्ट आहे, जो बोरिनमधला जो निगेटिव्ह पार्ट आहे, the negative part of the reagent attached to that carbon carries more number of hydrogen atom and formation of alcohol and which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide it gives alcohol. या रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझमचा आपण 11th मध्ये डीप स्टडी केलेला आहे. Then by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds means compound contain carbon oxygen double bond. For example, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic. These compound contain carbonyl carbon oxygen double bond. By reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes on reduction by hydrogen in presence of nickel, all lithium aluminum hydrogen gives primary alcohol. Similarly, ketone on reduction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, all lithium aluminum hydrogen gives secondary alcohol. Here first aldehyde RC double bond H or simply RCHO. This aldehyde on reduction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, the carbonyl, this carbon oxygen double bond reduced. The hydrogen attack to this double bond and formation of primary alcohol takes place. For example, हे बघा RC डबल बॉन्ड OH. तर हा जो हायड्रोजन आहे तो एक हायड्रोजन या कार्बनवरती अटॅक करेल, दुसरा या कार्बनवरती. स्ट्रक्चर काय बनेल? R या कार्बनवरती दोन हायड्रोजन येणार आहेत, RCH2OH. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल टेक्स प्लेस. रिडक्शन कशाचे झाले? कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजन मधील जो डबल बॉन्ड आहे त्याचं काय झाले? रिडक्शन झाले. देन सिमिलरली ketones, the structure of ketone RC double bond OR on reduction with hydrogen in presence of nickel it gives secondary alcohol. This hydrogen attach to this carbon and oxygen and formation of secondary alcohol takes place. Lithium aluminum hydrogen is best reducing agent than hydrogen in presence of nickel because it does not reduce the isolated olefinic bond and hence it can reduce unsaturated aldehyde and ketone to unsaturated alcohols. Now second, by reduction of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid require strong reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydrogen to form primary alcohols. This carboxylic acid forms primary alcohol. This lithium aluminum hydrogen is an expensive reagent. Therefore, commercially acid are first transformed into ester, which on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohol. First, this carboxylic acid react with alcohol, formation of ester takes place, and this ester on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohol. Then last method for preparation of alcohol, that is by addition of Grignard reagent to aldehydes and ketones. Grignard reagentचा फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला माहितीच असेल, RMgX, where R carries negative charge and magnesium carries positive charge. Grignard reagent react with aldehyde or ketone to form an adduct, which on hydrolysis with dilute acid gives corresponding alcohol. See here example. Here taken ketone, C double bond O. The carbon carries positive charge and this oxygen carries negative charge, which reacts with Grignard reagent RMgX. The R carries negative charge and magnesium carries positive charge. This negative charge means alkyl group attached to that carbon and this magnesium attached to oxygen, and formation of adduct takes place. See here structure, which on hydrolysis with dilute acid it gives corresponding alcohol. When formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it gives primary alcohol. When other type of aldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it gives secondary alcohol. And when ketone reacts with Grignard reagent, it gives tertiary alcohol. This example, epoxide. When epoxide react with Grignard reagent and follows by acidic hydrolysis to give primary alcohol. These are the methods of preparation of alcohols. In next lecture, we study about preparation of phenols. I hope you understand.